How to fix your Discover Bank two-factor code not arriving. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is check your carrier short code blocks. Ensure that your mobile carrier allows short code SMS messages, text, help, or start to discover your short code if it is unknown to you. So after checking that your carrier short code aren't blocked, then what you can do is, next step, choose call me instead of send via email on the two-factor authentication prompt page that you will be able to see, right? So instead of text me, choose to call me, and you will be getting a call, and simply go through that process. So even after doing that, if it's still not working, then lastly, what I recommend you guys do is simply turn on your airplane mode, scroll down through your control panel, and then simply tap on airplane, wait for about 10 seconds, and after about 10 seconds, simply tap on it again and turn that off, and then see if your bank two-factor code is arrived or not. So yeah, I'm pretty sure it will arrive after that. So if you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.